Hi, I'm Kyle from McDonnell Motors. I'm a licensed technician and I've been working here for 2 years. Today we're going to talk about why we rotate tires. The main reason we rotate tires is to help prolong tire life. So on a front wheel drive vehicle like this, the front tires crisscross backwards and the rear tires come forwards. So now that I've installed the tire, what this does is it allows the tire to wear more flat and more even due to the vehicle's alignment. A good tip is we look at tire wear. If a tire has uneven tire wear, that could indicate suspension problems like tie rods, springs, shocks. So it's always a good idea to rotate your tires. Once again, this is Kyle Totten, and thank you for watching Tech Talk. Please make sure to like and subscribe.